Okay, we can't broadcast, but we're going to do it on Twitch, pseudo live. Here is our live hillbilly unboxing of an office plus warehouse that I own, for better or for worse. This is 3,500 square feet, right off US 23. It's right over there. And they got upset when I wanted to raise the rent that they had been paying for the past 10 years. And we're going to find what goodies are in this location. Make sure you like or subscribe or do whatever the crap it is. I tried to connect to Wi-Fi and it said to connect to an HP printer. So everything that's in this place is mine, which is cool. So we get a HP printer and one of those things and a thing with a flashy light. Got a box of crap here. I don't know what this is. Those roaches or what? I don't know. Merchant services. That's an old-fashioned credit card thingy. But it has roaches, I think. A terminal. Ooh, a phone printer. So I was over at Sean's office. Sean is the last guy that owned this, and said essentially, oh yeah, they mailed me keys. So they don't like me, or so I hear. Got a blue book, free online thingy. A map. And some cubicles and expired fire extinguishers. I'm sure those are up to code. Got a little bit of, I don't know. I don't think that's water damage. I think that's just someone chewed tobacco on there. And these look like circuit breakers. No, toner. And we got a gigabyte motherboard. Ooh, a Windows XP disk. So, is this hillbilly unboxing or is this a little bit bigger since it's a commercial facility? I was going to do this live. Oh, computers! I was going to do this live, but, and a vacuum cleaner, cool. Gateway. And are these flash drives? Like, compact flash? Ooh, 1 gig industrial compact flash cards. Ah, my GoPro's falling off. Man, there's a king's ransom of compact flash here. That's a 1 gig compact flash. I didn't even know they made 1 gig compact flash. That's neat. There's some neat things in here so far. I gotta put some cameras in here. On a good note, Wise Cameras came out with, there's a bathroom. Electric's on, so that's good. Here's a bathroom. Cool. Not too bad. I imagine this is the phone system. Or maybe a UPS. Huh, okay. Bathroom doesn't look too bad. I was only in here for 5 minutes before I bought the place, so holy freaking crap. Man. Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff here. Holy crap. Man, there's some cool stuff in here. I don't even know where I start. Dang. Okay, Xerox toners, toilets, a box of what? Who knows what? Rabbit ears. Ooh, a mini vise. Cool. Should probably have somebody come down. That's neat. Have somebody come down and just start selling crap for me. Ooh, paint sprayer. It's metal. Are those welding rods? So I got a abandoned warehouse full of crap. So I'm gonna come down here and flip some stuff for me. I think these are welding rods. Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah. Oh yeah, welding products. See, not too crazy. Bunch of OSHA manuals. This is pretty cool. I had heard that they were just fire selling everything in the facility before they said they were going to leave the first of the month, and I guess they mailed the keys out the 19th, so they kind of missed that. But, man, there's a lot of neat stuff in here. Ooh, screws! Well, screws up there. Oh, I don't know. Industrial fittings, I guess. And we got bags of crap. Big AC motor. So, like, the problem here is they had been paying the same lease for this facility. Holy crap, that's like a 400 amp panel. Man. So, like, this was an industrial maintenance building where they did industrial training, like on PLCs and stuff. So, I wonder if there's, like, any PLC training stuff here. Yeah, those panels are worth some money for the right buyer. Oh, and a John Deere model tractor. So, and I'm sure I'm going to get all these messages saying, why didn't you open this thing up? If you guys want me to, I'll come back here and we'll spend a day unboxing stuff and looking at it. This is just Brandon pulling his cell phone out of his pocket. I was going to live stream this on Twitch, but then I realized I am standing in the middle of a Faraday cage. This is a pole barn. I have no clue what this thing is. If you go, got some nice bearings there. That's cool. I have no clue what this is. If you guys know what it is, comment below. Tell me what the heck it is. Oh, I know what this is. This is from a Kenworth. So, man, there's a bunch of neat crap in here that would take me days to sort through, and I have no time. I am failing at managing my 140 rentals. The trailer park's not done yet, although we are getting freaking close. They are right now installing more trailers. Ooh, a Monotrix. Oh man, some CRTs. Man, if I have to engage myself in some primal combat here, I can grab one of these and, you know, swing it around like a medieval mace. Cool. Yeah, so some old CRTs. I'm hoping, you know, I guess in my heart of hearts, I would love to find like an old Apple II or something like that. That one would walk off. I'm looking for the hidden gold. Well, there's some floppy diskettes. And, so, like, I wonder if this is, I mean, a USB serial adapter. Oh, serial to USB. Where's that? These feel like training manuals. Oh man, look at all these fittings. I wonder what, you know, tell me what you guys see in here in the comments if you see anything of value, because it's okay. So there's a nice C-clamp. I could sell that for something. Holy crap, what the crap. This looks like I have this feeling that I'm asking for you guys to comment, and you're going to call me like, why didn't you know what this thing is? That's obviously a drain pump for a John Deere tractor. That's a block and tackle, and that attaches to it. That's a PTO for a 19... Holy crap! Okay. I tripped over a very valuable gas can, because this is metal and doesn't have one of those crazy pour thingies on it. So that's cool. I keep seeing shadows over that way, and I keep wondering, you know, is it a ghost? Some skylights. Man, I don't know what this stuff is. All right, so there's where that comes out, that office there. I have no clue what this is. This looks like a centrifuge for some sort of, I know what this is. It's a shake weight. It's like a centrifuge for something. So, there's some diamond plate. Yeah, some diamond plate. All right, so we got, no, those are kegs. No, they're not kegs. They are propane tanks for forklifts. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those bad boys here. Wonder if those have deposits on them that I can return and get some money, or the FBI is going to come and search for them because they're owed somewhere. This all looks unique and interesting. There's some gigantic transformers that I'm not going to get close to. So, I'm doing this pseudo live, which means, which means you're getting my raw actions on this. If this was not inside, there's some head gaskets. If this was not inside a Faraday cage, like I said, it looks like a press. We would have been streaming this live on Twitch at twitch.com/investmentjoy, but we're not, so it's going to end up on the YouTubes tonight. I am very much alive, but I am so busy trying to fix my crap. Man, there's a lot of stuff here. Holy crap. I'm just trying to fix my crap. Trying to get the trailer park running. The maintenance guy, a solo flex. With all the craziness, if that thing worked, that might be worth some money. But with everything, my maintenance guy, Tom, that did work at the laundromat, he died, unfortunately. We don't believe it was coronavirus related. And I don't want to go into, what it was related to, but unfortunately he passed away, so Jeff is the only one, or up until yesterday, Jeff was the only one able to do maintenance at the laundromat for me. So I am, holy crap. Dang it. So it looks like they were fixing vehicles in here. Ooh, a brand new rotor. Must be a Ford, guys. See the rust there? That's a joke at Ford's expense. Although I have no room to talk because I drive a Ford, sometimes I drive a Ford Expedition. There's more welding stuff. That was a joke for all the Chevy guys and the Dodge guys who are walking on the side of the road because your Hemi broke. So, there's just, wait. Okay, so there's an air conditioner in that office and it's dumping into this room here. So we got a decent sized overhead door and we've got a steel I-beam that's welded up. So, you could get a hoist or whatever and run it all the way over here. That'd be cool. So, the condition of this place really is not too bad in my opinion. I mean, yeah, it's kind of dumpy, but for $750 a month with access to US 23, and a decent parking lot, all I wanted was $900 a month out of them. And I said, hey, can we, there's a propane tank. I have use for that bad boy. All I did was I told them, I said, can I get a little more money out of you? And their immediate response was, no renegotiations, nothing. We're leaving. So they had no deposit and they took their sweet time. So that's my side of the story. But man, there's a lot of interesting treasures in here. Like I said, there's supposed to be like an industrial training facility. Lots of wiring and neat stuff here. Need to make sure I get my cameras out tonight because with all the wiring in here, once I put it on YouTube, the thieves will be out and they will strip this place clean by tomorrow morning. So, courtesy of Wise and Lorex, we will probably be live streaming the trailer park at on our Discord, which is spoonies.club. Oh, wow. That is a, what the heck? But we've got a Discord server that I'm on all the freaking time. Oh, that says fan. Oh, please don't. Oh, cool. I didn't die. So, spoonies.club, we've got a pretty active Discord server, and I'm on it all the time. I am fancy. Got it. First try. What treasures are up there? Mail station. I can't tell. I guess I could get that ladder, but I don't trust the ladder. It could be booby trap for me. It's hard to say. So let me know if you see any treasures here. I'll totally sell them to you. If you need to get a hold of me, as always, you can get a hold of me on Instagram. Since I respond to practically every message on Instagram, and or you can get a hold of me on Discord at spoonies.club. So, it's Brandon with Invest. I appreciate you guys for watching. This is our hillbilly unboxing of a abandoned warehouse, sort of, kind of. I just took possession of because I got the keys back. So I appreciate every one of you. I'm trying to get more content out there, but man, it's hard. I'm trying to manage everything plus do all this stuff. So I'm going to go and get some cameras and put them out. Thank you guys for